So Tawana asked a question this week. She asked, if I could kindly get your advice. I forgot the date of my engagement. It wasn't anything I remembered. It was a simple engagement. I remember him telling his family about our engagement, just don't remember when it was done. What happened was we got engaged without a ring. We got married a few months later, and then later my husband bought the ring after the wedding. What can I write in my relationship statement? Can I just put got engaged in 2014? I've been married for 7 years, so don't remember a lot. Yeah, so as per my response to Tawana, I said that, you know, there's milestones in a couple's relationship that are clear, and there's milestones in a couple's relationship that are unclear. Now, things that can be unclear is when the relationship started. You know, sometimes there isn't always an official day that the couple consider their relationship to have commenced. The next kind of milestone or unclear milestone is, when did a de facto relationship commence? Because that's part of the application process. You have to nominate when, depending on how you're applying, but you might need to nominate when you became de facto. Really common question is when did we become de facto? It's not a clear date, okay? It depends on when you maybe moved in together, when you maybe started pulling your finances, when, you know, you started to do things on paper that you're probably started to do for the partner visa. Maybe around then you can start to safely claim you became de facto. And in this instance, sometimes let's say an engagement is also not clear, because it's kind of, you know, it's not as if there was a large kind of celebration, an engagement party, a ring, a receipt that can all be kind of time and date stamped. You know, so if it's kind of semi-unofficial, then you just give them the period or the day that you think is the most accurate. You know, give them what you can recall as the period or time that you got engaged. And I said, you know, if you don't know the day and month, then just give them the month. If you don't know the month, at least give them the year. Just try to give them something. And then if you happen to have a screenshot of a conversation between you and your family announcing the engagement, or if there was a post somewhere on social media and you have something to go with, then obviously you kind of try to supplement what you're saying with that evidence. But point being though, it's not an issue. You know, it doesn't matter that you don't know the day that you were engaged. What matters more in this kind of scenario, Tawana, is that you are married, have been married for 7 years, and that matters a lot more than the day you were engaged.